What is Delta variant coronavirus? Now, this new strain of the coronavirus has creating the problem in the society. Everyone is worried about its emergence, and even the World Health Organization has alerted the countries regarding this part. So today we will know in detail about this new strain. We already know that the symptoms of coronavirus are generally by different types of the medium, such as by human contact or contact with an object and air transmission. But when we talk about this new strain that is called Delta AVI or K417N strain, so the new symptoms are headache and runny nose, and the virulence rate is also seen higher in this new strain. Apart from this strain is found to have the higher rate of infection, and when we talk about it, so it is becoming a new havoc. Now it depends upon the society that how we have to take measures. Now when we talk about the strain, already in the different parts of the world, various new strains or the variants of the coronavirus are being found. These strains are called as mutagenic strains. In UK, Alpha, in South Africa, Beta, and in Brazil, Gamma type of new strains of coronavirus are being identified. Now, on the similar ground, Delta named strain is also been found in India. Now it is been believed that this strain is having high susceptibility to the small children or babies. So it is becoming a big issue that when we are talking about the third wave, so the probability index is high that babies are at higher risk. So it depends upon we people how to control. So if you see any kind of symptoms in the children's, so it's your moral responsibility not to consider it as a minor infection. We have to consult to the doctor, and by consulting we just have to take the measures. Now where the situation has gone wrong, when we go into the market or when we see the current scenario, people are not following the etiquettes related to the coronavirus. So what exactly they are doing? The basic thing that we see is that people are just not following basic ethics such as wearing the mask. There is a crowdy nature all over around surrounding, and the people have stopped following the rules and regulations. So it depends upon you that how to consider the thing, because if you are following the rules and if the person who is in front of you is doing the nuisance, then really it is a great matter of concern. So if we want to keep the ball rolling, so it is our responsibility that we have to follow some rules and regulations. If we fail, then it is going to create the problem. Now also we can do something such as basic meditation and yoga, and some kind of breathing exercise is found to be effective in the case of the corona. So in the similar way, let's hope that whatever the new strain, the Delta we are talking about, hope so it will not create a great impact on the society. Because as I told that in our country, many of the peoples are not following the rules and they are up to mark to the ethics. I just can call it as an educated illiterate. The reason behind is that they are not at all following the rules. And I believe that it is known to everyone what are the basic rules such as sanitization, wearing mask, and not just going to the crowdy area. So I believe that there should be a message, or rather the government should take some measures in regards to the health basic rules. It has now become a big issue that in our country the basic rules such as the sanitization and all that part is not following. So if you want to keep our country safe and want to prevent the further waves, it's our moral responsibility that we have to take control. It is not the part of the government or the police department, but I believe as a common citizen we should have to take the measures. If you see any of the people not following these things, I believe that we have to take their photos or you have to shoot them and make them viral, so that once they will come across their own videos, probably this may change their mentality. So let's see and hope for the best in the coming days.